I'm Catherine Silvestre and I work in the CMS collaboration on the heavy ion program. I've been here for a year and a half. I'm doing a postdoc. It's very exciting to be at CERN. There's a lot of people working intensely on making the program work. We have seen the first ever energy in PP at the LHC, and now with the heavy ion run going. It's incredible to be part of this. I've always been interested in trying to understand things deeply, and it's by doing physics one tries to figure out how the properties of the matter are linked together, and to understand to make sense out of what we see. So doing physics and particle physics helps you to figure things out. I don't think it was like one point I just woke up and thought, oh, let's be a physicist. It just happened like that. I was interested in this field and I had the opportunity to go in that sense, and I just decided to do a PhD in physics to understand more what's going on. So we are working all together as a really a united group to make the run going. So we have been trying to understand the collisions that are happening, looking at the detectors and rates of the collisions and the particles that we're seeing to adjust our program. And that was the main goal of this week, and now we're going to try to make physics out of what we recorded, and that's already on his way. It's been very exciting. We've seen things that were never measured. So the collisions have energies that it's the first time that we have lead collisions at this energy. So we're trying to understand the properties of the collisions we are seeing, measure new particles maybe, and that's what we're seeing, and it's very interesting. I have different hobbies, music, sports. I play tennis and climbing, rock climbing. I think they are very happy that I'm doing something that I like very much. They're also quite impressed, I think, probably because they don't know the details of what I'm doing, so that makes it helps to make a good impression. And I think they're happy I could come work at CERN and I can continue working on physics. I think being a physicist and being able to work at CERN is probably more accessible than it looks like, and I would encourage anybody that has some interest in physics to try to go for it and just ask questions, and if you want you can, so just do it.